The mass of an atom in grams equal to 1 gram atomic mass. H represents hydrogen atom. Its mass 1 gram is equal to 1 gram atomic mass. The case of a molecule, its mass expressed in grams equal to 1 gram molecular mass. H2 hydrogen molecule, N2 nitrogen molecule, O2 oxygen molecule. Here C represents both atom and molecule. Na represents both atom and molecule. H2, N2, O2 etc. are known as diatomic molecule. Carbon, sodium etc. are monoatomic molecule. How molecules are formed? The first method is the same atom combines to form molecule. Here 2 hydrogen atom combines to form hydrogen molecule. H represents one atom of hydrogen, but H2 represents hydrogen molecule. In H2, hydrogen contains atomic mass or molecular mass? Molecular mass. Then what is the molecular mass of hydrogen molecule? H2. Here 2 hydrogen atom. Then 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen 1 gram. Then 2 gram. It is equal to 1 gram molecular mass. So also equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 hydrogen molecules. Also equal to 1 mole H2. If so, what is the molecular mass of water? Here, water molecule contains 2 different atoms, hydrogen and oxygen. Then 2 hydrogen atom plus 1 oxygen. Total 3 atoms. Then molecular mass, hydrogen molecular mass 2, oxygen molecular, here 1 oxygen atom, then mass 16, then 18 gram. Then we can say that 18 gram water molecule equal to 1 gram molecular mass. It equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. 23 molecules. It's also equal to 1 mole H2O molecule. Now, let's look at nitrogen. Here N represents nitrogen atom, N2 represents nitrogen molecule. Then the molecular mass of nitrogen is 2 nitrogen atom. 2 into 14, 28 gram. So 20, then 28 gram N2 equal to 1 GMM equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 nitrogen molecule also equal to 1 mole N2 molecule. Do one problem. Calculate the number of molecules present in 90 gram water. What is the molecular mass of water? H2O. Molecular mass 2 into 1 plus 1 into 16 equal to 18 gram. Then number of gram molecular mass is equal to number of gram molecular mass equal to given mass in gram divided by g/mm of molecule. Here given mass 90 gram. Gram molecular mass of water 80. Then 5 gmm. Gmm H2O is also equal to 5 into 18 gram water contains 1 gram molecular mass. Then 90 gram water contains 5 gram molecular mass of water. Then number of Na 5 into Na. Then what is the number of mole? 5 mole H2O. In what law did you learn the volume of a gas at constant temperature and pressure depends on number of molecules? Avogadro law. So, 1 mole any gas at constant temperature and pressure, their volume will also be the same. This is called molar volume of gas. Constant temperature means 273 Kelvin. Constant pressure 1 atmosphere. Here K is unit of temperature. This is unit of pressure. This temperature and pressure is known as STP, standard temperature and pressure. Standard temperature is 273 Kelvin. Standard pressure 1 atmosphere. At STP, 1 mole any gas contains 22.4 liter. Then 1 mole hydrogen at STP. Here hydrogen atom or molecule? Hydrogen molecule. 1 mole hydrogen H2, not H, at STP equal to 22.4 liter. 1 mole N2, 1 mole N2 at STP equal to also 22.4 liter. 1 mole CO2 at STP 22.4 liter. The number of moles of gas at STP equal to the number of moles of gas at STP is equal to volume in liters at STP divided by 22.4. Volume in liters at STP divided by 22.4 liter. Then number of moles of gas at STP equal to volume in liters. Volume in liters at STP divided by 22.4 liter. Then what is the number of moles in 44.8 liter of gas? 44.8 divided by 22.4. Then we'll get 2 moles. Then what is the number of moles of gas at 11.2 liter of gas? 11.2 liter. Molar volume 22.4 liter. Then what is the number of moles? 1/2 moles.